Hi, today I'll be showing you how to build this puzzle box. Okay, so for the first layer, you're going to need a 6x6 plate and a 4x6 plate. And first we're going to connect these with a hinge plate right here. And then a 1x2. A 1x1 plate, a 1x1 tile, and then a 1x2 tile, and then a 2x2 tile, and you'll need another 1x2 tile, which goes right here, not there, here. And then you'll need a 1x6 tile right here, and then a 1x4 tile, a 1x3 tile, a 1x1 tile, and then another 1x1 tile, a 1x2 tile, and a 1x1 tile. Sorry, these are plates, not tiles. And then a 1x3 tile, and then a 1x3 plate, a 1x2 tile right here, and then a 1x1 tile plate, and then I used two 1x1 plates, but you can use a 1x1 plate, 1x2 plate, and then a 1x1 tile. Now we're going to need two pieces, a 1x3 tile, and then 1x2 tile, which goes right here, and a 1x1 tile right here. And this will go right here. And then you'll need a 1x1 brick right here. Then you'll need a 1x2 Technic brick with an axle hole and a 2 stud long axle. And you just put this through here. And this goes right here. And then a 1x3 tile right here, a 1x2 tile right here, and then two 1x1 bricks right here and here, and then two 1x2 bricks here. Here and here, and then a 2x3 brick, and then two 1x1 plates, and these go on top of each other like this, and these go right here, and then a 1x1 brick, a 1x2 tile, which goes right here, and then a 1x1 tile over here, and then a 1x1 brick over here, and a 1x2 brick. And that's the first layer. Okay, now we're going to build some keys, and first we'll need a 1x2 brick that doesn't have the hole inside and a 1x2 tile. and this just goes on top of this. Now you'll need a 1x4 tile, and then you'll place 2 1x1 plates on the bottom here, and then another 1x2 brick without the pole, and that just goes here. Now you'll need a 1x4 plate, and then a 1x2 tile, which goes here, and then a 1x3 tile over here. Now on the bottom here, you need to place a 1x1 plate, and then you'll need another 1x2 brick without the pole, and this goes here. And then a 1x1 brick, which goes right here on the edge. Now you need a 1x6 tile first, and then a 1x2 plate, which goes here, another 1x2 plate here, and then a 2x2 corner plate, which goes here, and then on the top here we'll need to place 2 1x1 plate tiles, and then on the bottom again over here you need to place 2 2x2 corner plates, and those are the first keys. Okay, now we're going to place the keys inside the base, and first we're going to take this one and put it right here, and then this one goes right here, and then this one goes over here, doing this, and this one goes, and make sure this is upside down, and then this goes here. Now we're gonna continue building up the base. First you'll need 2 2x2 corner plates, and they go right here and here. And then a 1x2 plate over here, and a 1x1 plate. And then you need to take a 1x6 plate and a 1x1 plate, and this goes on the bottom here on the third stud like this, and this goes right here. And then you need a 1x2 plate and a 2x2 plate, a 1x2 brick, and then this goes here, and then this goes here. And now you need a 2x4 plate, which goes right here, and then a 1x3 plate, and which will go here, and will overhang over this hole. And then a 1x2 plate right here. And then you need a 1x4 plate and 2 1x2 plates. And these just go on the bottom of this, like that. And this goes here. And then a 1x3 plate, another 2x4 plate right here. Now you'll need a 2x3 plate, and then on the bottom we'll place a 1x1 plate over here in the bottom corner, and a 2x2 plate right here. And then this just goes right here. Now you'll need a 2x6 plate, which goes here. A 1x6 plate. A 2x4 plate. A 2x2 corner plate. Another 2x2 hinge plate, which go here. A 1x2 plate over here. A 2x4 plate, which goes here. And then a 1x2 plate. A 2x2 corner plate, which goes here. And then this corner here, a 1x1 plate. And then lastly, a 4x6 plate, which just goes right here. And that's the first layer. So now we'll start building the second layer. First need a 6x6 plate, and then a 2x4 tile, which goes right here, and then a 1x4 tile, which goes right here. And then this goes right here. Now we're going to build a key and a final drawer. So for the key, we need a 1x8 plate and a 1x8 tile. And that's it. Now for the drawer, you'll first need a 2x4 plate and a 1x1 tile, and this goes right here. And we'll put this aside. And then we need two 2x3 plates, and then a 1x2 plate, which goes right here. And then we need a 1x2 Technic brick with an axle hole. And then on top of it, you'll need to place a 1x2 tile. Then you'll need a 3 stud long axle and put it right through there. And then you will also need another 1x2 brick with an axle hole and put it right there. Don't push it all the way, you need to leave a space here. And then this goes right here, like that. And then you just place, this goes here. And then you'll place this here, like that. And then you need a 1x3 brick, which goes here. And then another 1x2 Technic brick with an axle hole, and it goes right here. And then two 1x1 Technic bricks with a pinhole, and these go right here. And then you'll need 2 more of those, but we'll also need a 3 stud long pin, one of these blue pins, and just put it through this, and make sure this little stopper part goes on here like that, and then this goes here. Again, don't put it all the way in like this, leave a space in the middle, and this goes right here. And then you'll need a 1x2 plate, 1x1 plate, and then another 1x1 plate, which goes right here, and then a 2x2 corner plate, which goes here, and then a 1x4 plate and a 1x1 tile, and this 1x1 tile goes right here, and this will go here like this. And then you need another 1x1 tile and also a 2x2 corner plate. And this tile goes right here, and this will go here. And then you'll need another 2x2 corner plate, which goes here. And then a 1x4 plate over here. And then another 1x4 plate, which goes over here. A 1x2 plate. And then another 2x2 corner plate over here. And then we'll just need to place tiles around this. Make sure not to cover this 1x1 tile. We need a 1x4 tile. And then a 2x2 corner tile. And then a 1x2 tile. Then in here you can just place 1x2 $100 bills, like $100 bills. I just placed these gold looking tiles in here. And that's the drawer. And also make sure not to go over this 1x4 tile. Okay, now we're going to continue building the second layer. So first we need a 2x4 plate, which goes here. And then a 1x4 plate, which goes here. And then a 2x6 plate, which goes right here. And then a 4x6 plate over here. And then you'll need to get this drawer that we built and just place it here in the corner here. And then you need a 2x2 plate, which goes right here. And then a 2x4 plate over here. And then you need a 1x6 tile, which goes right here in the back. And then a 1x4 plate over here. And then you'll need two 2x4 plates right here and here. Then you'll need another 2x4 plate, but you'll also need a 1x4 tile, which goes right here, like that, and then this goes here. And then you need a 1x6 brick over here in the back. And then you need a 1x4 brick and a 1x2 jumper plate, which goes right here, and this goes here. And then you need two 2x4 bricks, which go here. And then a 1x3 brick over here. A 1x2 Technic brick with an axle hole, which goes right here. And then another 1x1 Technic brick with a pinhole that goes here. Then you need a 2x3 brick and a 1x1 plate, and this goes here. The 1x1 tile goes in the top right corner, and this goes here. Then you'll need another 2x3 brick. And then you'll need a 2x4 plate and a 1x1 plate. This 1x1 plate goes on the bottom of the 2x4 plate right here. and this goes here. And then you'll need a 1x3 plate, which goes here. And then a 2x6 plate over here. And then I used a 1x2 plate and a 2x3 plate. You can use a 2x4 plate over here. And then you'll need a few pieces. A 1x1 Technic brick and a jumper plate. And this goes right here. And then two 1x2 Technic bricks with axle holes. They go here. And then another 1x2 Technic brick with an axle hole. And it goes right here. And then you'll need a 6 stud long axle. Before we put this in, you need to take the key and then put it right here, and then push it in, and I'll just push it in with the axle, and then the axle goes right here. And then you need a 1x6 brick, which goes here, and then a 1x6 plate, which goes here, a 1x2 plate over here, and then a 1x3 plate over here, and then a 2x2 plate and a 2x4 plate. And then you'll need those same pieces, but just place them in the opposite way, here and here. And then over here, you just need to place a 2x3 brick. And that's the second layer. Okay, now we're going to build the final part, the roof. So first, you need a 1x6 plate, which goes here. And then a 1x3 plate over here. And then a 1x2 plate. And then you'll need a 1x3 plate. And you'll just drop it into here. And it'll just be hanging. It's not connected to anything yet. And then it'll be connected now with this 4x6 plate. And then a 2x6 plate. And then a 2x4 plate, which goes here. And then a 2x3 plate. A 2x2 plate over here. And a 1x1 plate over here. Then you'll need a 4x6 plate over, and which goes over here. And then a 2x6 plate over here. A 2x4 plate over here. A 4x4 plate over here. Now we need another 4x4 plate, which goes over here. And then a 2x4 plate. And then I used 3 more 2x4 plates. 2 1x3 plates, and then a 1x2 plate over here, and then you'll need a hinge plate, a 2x2 hinge plate, which goes here. Now you just have to cover this in tiles. Make sure to keep this 4x6 area apart from this 6x6 area. So this is how I did it. A 1x6 tile, 2 1x4 tiles, a 2x2 tile, a 2x4 tile, and then a 2x2 jumper tile plate, which goes here, and then 1x4 tile over here, a 1x2 tile over here, and then another 2x2 jumper plate or tile, which goes here, and then a 1x4 tile over here, and then a 2x4 tile over here, and then a 1x2 tile, and a 1x6 tile. And then for the last part, you'll need a 1x4 tile. So that is the final puzzle box tutorial. Hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.